Hi everyone. In this video we're going to learn how to actually submit an assignment. So at this point you can open up a course and go into a folder, and the assignment tab is going to look like this. So this is the icon for an assignment. You can see what I'm circling with my mouse. To open this assignment I just click on the blue link next to that icon, and I can see that this teacher actually attached a PDF. So if I wanted to, I could open this PDF. It might have to do something with this assignment. The teacher will also most likely type a set of instructions or directions on what I need to do to submit my assignment. So in order to begin this assignment, I'm going to go over here to where it says Submit Assignment, click here, and then go ahead and click on Create. This is going to open up a blank page for you to answer questions. So let's say the first question might have been, what is your favorite color? I can type that in. Second question, maybe, what was your favorite sport? I can always type that in as well. And I can go down the list. It could be short answer, and I can begin typing. All of the tools up here are very similar to a Word or a Google Doc, in which you can change the font, or you could bold or do anything like that. So when you're done, you're going to hit Submit. And then you will see now it says your assignment submission has been received. So now the teacher has been notified that your student has now posted something into the assignment. They'll be able to view that as a PDF and provide comment if need be. So I hope this video was helpful in learning how to open up an assignment, submit an assignment, and then also have the ability to make sure to check that that assignment has been submitted. Have a great one.